Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with the hashtag. This is for our Stuff Stocking Swap 23 hosted by Martha Makes Arts and Jennifer from Scrapbook and Memories. Before I get into the unboxing, wanted to mention that my partner is Susan Heartstring. So Susan, thank you so much for swapping with me. Super excited. I also wanted to mention the channels that are participating in this wonderful holiday swap. It is Diana Loves Colors, Sharon from Cheap to Chic, Maniac Grammy's Homestead, Petey Pie Designs, Kim's Inspired Life, Lana, that's LB Cards, Kawaii Memo Love, Almatizer, there's Roseberry Scraps, Susan Heartstrings, and Fashionably 50 Something and Beyond, and myself, Paper Confessions with Karamia. So make sure to check out their links down below. I hope you guys can give them some support and see what everybody made for this. This is a large, oh my gosh, package, Susan. So I'm super excited. Let's open it up and see what she said. Yeah, super excited. Here's a little sneak peek of what is in here. There is so much stuff. I want to look for the card first. I think this might be the card. Oh my gosh, this is too funny. Me and Susan, we definitely were on the same wavelength when you see this, when you see her unbox. But I'm just put this aside real quick. It says, Sweet Kara, let us read the card. Look at this adorable card. Susan makes the most precious cards. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look, it says, wishing you joy. We have an adorable vintage looking image here with an angel and a cute little reindeer or deer. And I love the ribbon. It's so precious. And it says, wishing joy. So let's open it up and read. It says, Hi, Kara. Thank you for being my swap partner. Your friendship is a blessing. Oh, yours too, Susan. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Love and hugs, Susan. And again, her channel is Susan Heartstring. So thank you very much. Now, look at this adorable Santa Claus. I love it. I am definitely going to add this in my journal. The funny thing is I had gifted her one as well, so I hope she doesn't have one, and I hope she can use it, and if not, she can share it with some of her friends and family. But let's see what is in here. I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out, and then we are going to take a look at what she has sent. Here is the star of today's swap. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this stocking. I just love it. It's so fuzzy. We got the snowflakes. So you can use any stocking for this swap. And then we were to include 3 specific items. I think one was a handmade item, 1 treat, and 1 ornament. And then we could put whatever else we wanted to include. And clearly, Susan has included so many items. So let's pull out the first piece. Oh my gosh, look at this adorable ornament. They're little mittens, and I love the fuzzies here with the pom-poms. That is too precious, and I love pink. This is too cute. Thank you very much. Now I see we have a little tinsel with the Christmas bells. That is adorable. And it is a cute little pen. I love that. I'm going to put that in my December daily journal and use it. What is this? Oh my gosh. What do we have here? Oh, wow. Hold on, let me take the plastic out. My goodness, guys. This is the handmade item that she made. Now, you guys, if you go to Dollar Tree, they have these beautiful handheld mirrors. And look at how she's altered this. This is gorgeous. I love it. And speaking of gorgeous things, this is a gorgeous girl, and that's one of Susan's most favorite things. I love that you have added that because I love these images and I love her hair. Look at the way she's created layers with the trim all around it. And you can see down here how gorgeous is this. I love pink, and this is just a dream. Oh my gosh, look at the handle. Do you see this? Oh my gosh. What a cute dangle that she's added to the bottom. It looks so elegant. I love it. And we got some cute trims. And then on the flip side, we have the mirror. But I'm just holding that there. But isn't that beautiful? I just love it. Thank you very much. I'm going to put that beautiful altered mirror here with that gorgeous bling. Wow. Super pretty, but she has added more goodies in here. Oh, I'm gonna add this to my December daily. I love this little border. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. We are gonna add that. She's also shared. What is this? Say Freeze, and it is a paper pad. It's a block paper pad. This is fun. I've never seen this Recollections one. So thank you so much. This is so much fun to use for journals. You can use it as toppers for your slimline cards. So this will be fun to use for the holidays. And what else do we have here? Oh my gosh, this warm holiday wishes to Kara from Susan. Icing chocolate. Oh my gosh, I love chocolate. Usually have it at tea time, but she has gifted me, oh my gosh, and I love hazelnut. So we have our hazelnut Lindt, and then there is the dark chocolate ganache hearts, which is also one of my favorite chocolates ever. So thank you so much for including that. I still feel there's so much in here. Oh my goodness. She shared another ornament. Oh wow. Here it is, guys. I love it. I've never had any ice skating snow, like ornaments in this style. So this is definitely a wonderful addition that I'm gonna add to our holiday decor. This is just gorgeous. I love it. So we are gonna put this cutie there and see what else is at the bottom. There is so much in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at the way she's packaged this. I love it. This is perfect, Susan. We're traveling, and I'm going to use this for my travel journal. We're going to be away for the holidays, and this will be perfect to, create those page layouts and put some stamping of luggages. Thank you so much. And this is from Hero Arts. I love it. And here's what that looks like. Love it. And how cute. We got our Christmas bells. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. I love the traditional green, red, and gold. So thank you very much for that. Now I'm going to put this aside because she has also included a few more goodies. Oh my gosh, this is really so sweet and generous of you. Let's put this. And I just want to show you her cards. So pretty. And Santa. Now, let's open up. Oh my gosh, you gave me so much. What is this? Our theme this year is Frosty the Snowman. So I am putting this in my December daily too. So let me see. Don't want to tear it up too much. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at this embroidery floss and baby pink. You gave me so much, Susan. Now I feel bad that I don't know if I gave you enough. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. We got the vintage Santa with the holly. Definitely going to use that in a future journal. Oh my goodness, but look at this. Oh, where did you get this? This is so fun. I love that they're stamps, and then you have all the holiday stamps featured here. Look, a teddy bear doll, birds. Oh, I love the birds. And then there's another snowman. There's also cookies. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And then here's the bottom part. And she has shared a really large piece with me, so I can't wait to make journals, hopefully here in 2024. It's been really hard this year. Had a few really, lots of challenges actually. But this is inspiring me again. Hopefully I can get back to it. But let's see what else she sent. Oh my God, this is too cute. There's a little doggy and Frosty the Snowman. Oh my gosh, Susan, this is so sweet. Oh, what is this? We got our pom-poms, and I do not have red pom-pom trims. So this will be, again, fun to use. You can use it for Valentine's, Christmas. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, I love this. And these are pink mini pom-poms. Really adorable. I don't have these as well. That is so cute. And we'll put Mr. Frosty here. Put that guy. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? It's really adorable. And then we have this bag, and now we have the snowflake trim. And I love, look at the way she's packaged that and attached a little barrette with the star. That is a wonderful idea. Again, beautiful trim that I don't have in my stash, so thank you for sharing that. It's from Simplicity. We got our penguin, and let's open it. It looks like she's made this beautiful little pocket paper bag. What is in here? Oh, yes. Oh, she knows me so well. I love tea time, but oh my goodness. Hold on. Let's show you. Look at this gorgeous gingerbread spoon. I'll use this for my sugar bowl. That is adorable. Oh my gosh, excuse the sniffing. I love it. I love it so much. And she has shared joy, and this has brought me so much joy. So thank you so much. I'm going to try this one soon. Wild strawberry, raspberry royale, and vanilla, caramel vanilla. Wow. So that's a black tea. This will be great in the morning. But I am excited to try out the teas that you've given me. And last but not least, here it is. Look at that stamping. She is also the host of Stamp and Play. And basically, it's an open collaboration all year round. You can join in whenever you can and use, take out your stash, take out your stamps. It can be any theme you would like and start stamping and making different projects. And I love the projects that she's shown. Again, you see the beautiful, gorgeous girls, and I love that they look like really sweet, endearing friends. And Susan is such a sweetheart. I love her creation. She's very, very creative. And I want to see what's in there. It says, I love you. Oh, I love you too. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I don't want to tear that up. Oh, I just did. Okay. Here it is. Oh my goodness. You guys, let me show you this one first. What did I say? She's just so inspiring. Look at what she did here. This is a little die cut of a cup, and it says blessed. Oh my gosh, look at the miniature pin. Oh my God, and the bow, and then this cute little image of the girl and her little reindeer. And I love this little flat back. Let me see if there's information. It's a magnet. Oh my gosh. These are actually the wood veneer. So correction, wood veneer. And then she put a little magnet. I am definitely going to put that on my fridge. I love it. Thank you very much. So this is that. And then we had one more piece. Oh my gosh. Look at this gorgeous trim. How elegant is that? It's an indigo blue. Or no, it's kind of purpley, but it's just really pretty. And you know that I'll be using this in my future journals again. But wow, I'm just blown away by the amazing items that you have added and curated in this wonderful holiday swap. I love how you altered this gorgeous, oh my gosh, mirror. I mean, how beautiful is that? That is just gorgeous. I love it so much. And then she's given me these beautiful ornaments that we were to trade. I love this cutie pie. We have a couple of these. Oh my gosh, that's super cute. And then all these fun goodies, and I'm sure to eat that with our tea. That's gonna go together. And all these wonderful goodies. Again, thank you so much, Susan. And to Martha Makes Art and Jennifer from Scrapbooks and Memories, thank you so much for hosting this super fun holiday collaboration. I hope you guys check out everyone's unboxings and also future project shares of what they sent their partners to follow right after. I'll be sharing mine sometime soon, but make sure to check out their unboxings because it's going to be super fun to see everyone's reactions and also see what everyone's created for their partners. So if you're looking for a fun swap inspiration and would like to do it maybe for 2024, then check it out. And you can also do it for different themes. Thanks again for watching, guys. And again, Susan, sending you big hugs. Thanks so much again for this wonderful swap. Happy mail. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.